What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's video, we're down on my shipping container where I have my Ferrari 355 replica in storage right now. We do have a nice set of aftermarket rims and tires with some deep dish polished lips on it. So let's go ahead, clear off all the bins, make some room, and yank off the rims and tires. Stay tuned, check it out. Alright guys, let's go ahead and yank out all these bins, make some room so I can get these rims and tires off the car. ET phone home. So guys, as you can see, this is the Ferrari 355 replica that I've been working on for like almost 15 years. I'm gonna finish this one here up after the Testarossa kit, and I'm gonna give this one here to my dad. We got a lot of money, a lot of time invested into it, so it's gonna be the next project that I'm gonna complete for my dad. So you can see here, we got the aftermarket rims. I think they're 19-inch, and the back rims have a huge dish on them. That windshield, I yanked this out last year from down in the city, so this one here is just sitting in here right now. As you can see, it's loose, so we're gonna go ahead and install this one into the Testarossa kit. So that's gonna come with me probably this week. And there's the back rims, pretty dirty. So looks like we got enough room now to get the jack underneath the car, jack it up, and pull the rims and tires off. So it's gonna be a little bit of a dance. We're gonna have to do one side and then try to shimmy the car over to the right side, because you can see it's pretty tight. There's no way I'll be able to squeeze down here and get these lug nuts and wheels off. So we'll have to do this side over here first. We'll jack up the car. I got some wheel dollies and whatnot. Pull these rims and tires off. We'll put on some stock rims and tires just to roll it around. And then we'll go ahead, shimmy the car over and do the other side. Have a set of rims and tires with brand new tires on them, and they're pretty similar to the stock 355 rims. So let's go ahead, jack up the car, yank off the wheels and tires. Alright, let's break these studs loose, jack up the front end, pull off the front wheels. That's not good. My lug nuts on the Testarossa kit are 3/4, but on this one here, they're not. So we might have to swing back to the house and grab the right socket size. Alright guys, so we're making our way back to the C-can now. I think I got the right socket bit that we need. So note to self, in the future, bring your entire socket set. Don't think that it's the same, because I got bit there and it wasn't the same. So yeah, bring your whole socket set if you're going to do something. I should have known better. Bingo guys, it's a 13/16, not a 3/4. Why it's different, I'm not too sure. Let's go ahead, break the studs loose, and take off the wheels.
Next level.
There's our first wheel off the car. As you can see, 19-inch. Fronts don't have too big of a lip, but the rear have like a 4-inch lip on them. So they might look kind of cool on the Testarossa, but I really don't want to have to run wheel spacers. And with these wheels here, I have to run like a 6-inch spacer on the back and like a 3-inch spacer on the front. And with my current wheels, they're kind of more period correct, and I don't have to run any spacers. So maybe I'll just sell these, get some cash, and put that towards some other parts. Let's go ahead, try to shift the car over and yank off the other side. Well guys, that might be enough room for me to get this side here off. These wheels are gonna look way better on the 355 than these. These are a little bit gaudy. This is more authentic, so I'm gonna stick with these. I think my dad will like these a lot nicer than these bling bling things. But I'll go ahead and ask him and see if he wants me to keep these, or if he wants it to look more real, more authentic. We'll stick with the 355 OEM wheels. To the back of the car. Well guys, this is super tight and awkward on the back end, but let's go ahead and see if I can get the jack underneath it and get the rear tires off. So, we are off the ground, and I have to get that tire off. And on the passenger side, I got a flat spot on that tire. No big deal, the tire is still good. All right, hopefully I got enough room to squeeze this tire up and out. Barely enough room, but let's see if I can get it up and over. Oh, I can't. Winning. We did it, guys. Let's get this rim out. Woo! And you can see on the back side, guys, here's a 6-inch spacer. Look how far out that is from the brakes. Comment below. I know a lot of people are gonna say a lot of things about those. Can't wait to hear what you have to say, guys. But we got the back rim off on the driver's side. You can see, I think they're like 10.5s. And they got like a 3-inch, 4-inch lip on the back. Nice wheels, but I think I'm gonna sell them. Well guys, I did it. I got all 4 wheels off the car. That last one was a real pain in the ass. Really hard to get to, but managed to get them all off. As you can see, started to pour rain too, so I put the camera away for a bit. But yeah, all 4 rims are off the car. That back corner over here was pretty awkward to shimmy the car over to get enough room to be able to get that tire off, but I managed to get it done. So let's go ahead, drop the car down, shut up the sea can, and get out of here.